Okay, guys, this is a 3-minute video, so keep up. Tesla starts here. The Model 3 is the real start of the company. Most people think, oh, yeah, it's the Model S and X and everything like that. No, the company in mass production is starting with the Model 3. Okay, and this is the facilitator. This is basically the energy behind the company right now. I mean, of course, the Model S and X are there as well. Let's look at the flag pattern. Flag pattern? Who's mentioned the flag pattern before? Yeah, another one. Okay, we talked about the Model S. Obviously, the Model S was like the best car ever, road and track or whatever it was. And then, of course, you have the Model X, another quality car with the wing doors. Okay, back to the flag pattern. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. That's right. The Model Y is going to be produced, and supposedly it's going to produce more than the S, X, and 3 combined. That hasn't even been produced yet, but it's going into production really soon. Oh, yeah, and possibly the best sports car ever is going to be produced? All right. Yeah. Okay. The flag pattern? That's right. Yeah. What about the semi-truck? Yeah, they're going to start production of that as well, but that's a battery issue. Oh, wait a minute. Cybertruck. That's right. There's probably 500,000 pre-orders, and they can make as many as Elon said, basically, as they can. And let's see, what else is coming up? Oh, yeah, maybe Robotaxi, or not maybe, it's going to happen. But he's going to start it probably with people driving like Uber. Okay, and then what if they make a Model 2 in China? Oh, that could be pretty big, right? Or just in the US as well. Let's see, what else did they have in the pipeline? Oh, that's right. Their power source. Okay, their storage, their solar. I mean, come on, their solar roofs, everything. Oh, back to the flag pattern. We haven't really gotten to that. You can, oh, yeah, that's right. Maybe it's time. Maybe it's getting to be time for the shorts to wave the white flag. Okay, it doesn't mean the stock's not going to dip at this point, but I'm going to be buying pretty much every dip at this point, and then just let it run and get as many shares as possible over time. So to reiterate really quick, Tesla starts here. The Model 3 is the real start. You can see the inflection point where Tesla started making profit and making money when they started pumping out vehicles at scale. Now they're going to pump out the Model Y at scale. They're going to end up pumping out the Cybertruck at scale. They're going to pump out all the other cars as well. So this pretty much sums it up. Subscribe, like, share. This is the company. It starts with the Model 3. This is just the beginning of the company. This isn't the end of Tesla. Oh my gosh, the stock is so high. Oh my gosh, I should run away. Bye.